I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make salad dressing with olive oil and apple cider vinegar. We'll start with the fundamental 2-to-1 ratio of oil to vinegar, which is key for a balanced flavor. Then, we'll gather just a few simple ingredients. Finally, I'll help you understand how to easily customize your dressing to perfectly suit your taste preferences. This guide makes homemade dressing effortless. For our base, you'll need about 6 tablespoons of good quality extra virgin olive oil and 3 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar. To help everything combine beautifully, add 1 teaspoon of Dijon mustard. This acts as an emulsifier, preventing separation. Finish with a generous pinch of salt and a few grinds of fresh black pepper to enhance all the flavors. Now let's mix it up. Pour all your measured ingredients into a small jar with a tight-fitting lid, or into a bowl. If using a jar, simply shake it vigorously for about 30 seconds until everything is well combined and slightly thickened. If using a bowl, whisk continuously until the dressing is emulsified. Always taste and adjust the salt and pepper as needed. The best part about homemade dressing is customization. Feel free to add 1 clove of minced garlic or a tablespoon of fresh chopped herbs like parsley, chives, or dill. For a touch of sweetness, a teaspoon of maple syrup or honey works wonderfully. Store your delicious creation in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 7 days. Enjoy your fresh, homemade dressing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.